The adventure motorcycle landscape is witnessing a seismic shift, and the epicenter is Hangzhou. CFMoto is no longer just a brand producing budget-friendly midweights. They have officially entered the heavyweight arena with their most ambitious machine yet. The unveiling of the CFMoto 1000 MTX represents a bold, uncompromising leap into the leader-class ADV segment. Taking direct aim at established European and Japanese titans like the Honda Africa Twin and KTM's middle to heavyweight explorers, the 1000 MTX is built to prove that premium off-road capability doesn't require an exorbitant price tag. At the heart of this new beast beats a proven KTM-derived 946.2 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, pumping out a highly respectable 111 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 105 newton-meters of torque at 6,250 revolutions per minute. This LC8C base power plant is meticulously tuned for robust mid-range grunt. Thanks to a lightweight alloy crankcase, the engine itself weighs just 56 kilograms, contributing to the bike's overall agility. Power delivery is managed by a sophisticated Bosch MSE 9.0 EFI system, feeding a slick 6-speed gearbox, complete with a standard bidirectional quickshifter and a slipper clutch for seamless, aggressive downshifts in the dirt. When the tarmac ends, the 1000 MTXS chassis is more than ready to take the punishment. Built around a high-strength chromoly steel frame, it boasts a true off-road geometry highlighted by a dirt-focused 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheel setup wrapped straight from the factory in aggressive Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires. Suspension duties are expertly handled by fully adjustable 48mm KYB upside-down forks and a matching multi-link rear monoshock. Offering massive travel, this premium setup ensures the motorcycle remains incredibly composed, whether you're blitzing wide-open gravel-fire roads or navigating highly technical, rock-strewn single tracks. Adventure riders obsess over weight and balance, and CFMoto has clearly been taking notes. The 1000 MTX tips the scales with a highly competitive dry weight of just 199 kilograms, translating to a manageable 222 kilograms when fully fueled. A crucial engineering choice is the low-slung, saddle-style 22.5-liter fuel tank that dramatically lowers the center of gravity, a trick learned from its Austrian cousins. Combined with a narrow upper body and a rally-style 2-into-1 seat, the ergonomics grant riders unimpeded freedom of movement, making standing on the pegs feel as natural and balanced as sitting. Premium componentry continues into the braking and electronic departments, rivaling bikes that cost thousands more. Brembo provides the stopping power via dual 320mm discs gripped by radial 4-piston calipers up front, all governed by a state-of-the-art Bosch 6-axis IMU. This inertial measurement unit unlocks a flagship-level suite of rider aids, including cornering ABS, a 3-stage traction control system, and 5 distinct riding modes tailored for every conceivable terrain. The nerve center of this electronic wizardry is a massive, glove-friendly 8-inch TFT touchscreen that dominates the cockpit like a Dakar Rally roadbook. Despite its hardcore rally raid appearance, the 1000 MTX is heavily equipped for continent crossing comfort. That massive 22.5-liter fuel tank yields a theoretical range of over 450 kilometers, drastically reducing range anxiety in remote outback areas. Furthermore, CFMoto has thrown the kitchen sink at the standard equipment list. Touches like heated grips, a heated saddle, cruise control, dual USB charging ports, and an adjustable windscreen are all included out of the box. Add in the standard aluminum skid plate, heavy-duty handguards, and a chain guide, and this bike is expedition-ready right off the showroom floor. Ultimately, the CFMoto 1000 MTX is more than just a new motorcycle, it is a disruptor. By blending a proven European-derived powertrain with top-tier components from KYB, Brembo, and Bosch, all packaged at a highly aggressive price point, CFMoto isn't just knocking on the door of the premium ADV club, they are kicking it down. For riders seeking a no-compromise, technology-packed leader-class explorer that challenges the traditional hierarchy, The 1000 MTX is shaping up to be one of the most compelling and disruptive motorcycles of the decade.